The Shillong Airport expansion project may take 3 years to be completed, said Deputy Chief Minister in charge Transport, Snya Bhalang Dhar, on Wednesday. He told reporters that the Deputy Commissioners are on the job for the identification of the additional land for the implementation of the expansion project. Earlier last year, the Meghalaya High Court had passed an order directing the state government to complete the handing over of the additional land to the Airport Authority of India for expanding the Shillong Airport within a period of 3 months. Meanwhile, the state government has assured that the Shillong Interstate Bus Terminal will be operational once an alternative route is constructed.
We are trying within 3 years it should be implemented. We are trying. So let's see, let's hope for the best. While during his visit, so after the acquisitions, we processed accordingly and officially. The department to finish this alternative road very fast, so they are on the job. So as soon as this road finish from Mulai bypass, mid Umberleng or something, then they can use it as usual.
NPP